Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to derive movement generating function of an exponential random variable and characteristic function of an exponential random variable. First, we can derive movement generating function of a exponential random variable. So we know that the definition of movement generating function of a random variable is mx of t is expectation of e power tx, which is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity e power tx into fx of x dx. Here fx of x is the probability density function of the exponential random variable. The probability density function of the exponential random variable is alpha into e power minus alpha x for x greater than or equal to 0. When applying the definition of the exponential probability density function, so we get x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0 means x is start from 0. So the range of the x is 0 to infinity e power dx. Exponential density function is alpha into e power minus alpha x dx. Alpha is constant, that is written before integration. So e power dx into e power minus alpha x is written as e power minus of alpha alpha minus t into x dx. So integrating this exponential term, we get mx of t is equal to alpha into e power minus of alpha minus t into x divided by minus of alpha minus t over 0 to infinity. So now applying upper value of x and lower value of x, we get minus alpha by alpha minus t. E power minus infinity value is 0, e power minus 0 value is 1. So therefore, the movement generating function of exponential random variable is alpha by alpha minus t. Next, we can derive characteristic function of a exponential random variable. In this equation, small t is substituted by j omega, we get characteristic function of a exponential random variable. So pi x of omega is equal to mx of t at t is equal to j omega. So the moment generating function of the exponential random variable is alpha by alpha minus t at t is equal to j omega. Substitute t is equal to j omega, we get pi x of omega is equal alpha by alpha minus j omega. So this is the derivation of characteristic function of an exponential random variable.